Hello, my name is David Sunday Family. I'm an SAP FICO consultant for more than 7 years. I will be taking you on SAP S4HANA training, most especially SAP Simple Finance. So I want to believe that you have previous knowledge on SAP FICO, perhaps SAP ECC 6.0 in the past. So so the training is going to be majorly based on implementation, rather explanation on S4HANA database. So it's just gonna be mostly on implementation. So in this training, at the end of this training, we're going to make sure that we finish and we complete a whole one life cycle end-to-end implementation. So now we're going to continue with the training now. And what is SAP S4HANA? SAP S4HANA is a database. It is a database management which supports S4HANA, and it can handle both OLTP and OLAP processing from a single data model. And therefore, we do not need to move transactional data to a separate system. This means that transactional and analytical application run off the same tables, and therefore data is available in real time at every level of detail. For more than 20 years, firms have been using specialist software to extract and load data from transactional system to dedicated reporting system. Based on this technology available at the time, online transactional processing (OLTP) was separated from online analytical processing (OLAP). The database which supports S4HANA can handle both OLTP and OLAP processing. However, this means that SAP HANA organizes data using a column stores, which means indices are stores. Indices are usually not needed. They can still be created, but usually offer minor improvement. In addition to using the aggregates and indexes from the database, so SAP S4HANA can provide us a huge amount, and also can provide us a huge amount of benefit, and also can remove huge amount of application code that deals with aggregates and indexes. The end result is a simplified core data model. We have some major over the years since S4HANA was created in the market. It was built up by SAP software developers. So we have some very good benefits of the database. We can accept the fact that it helps to eliminate unnecessary complexity and latency of data, less hardware to manage, unlike the traditional fairy tale architecture that we have brought back in the SAP R3 and ECC 6.0. So there has been a less hardware to manage in S4HANA. It accelerates through innovation, but also it helps to simplify in memory. So now we can say that the end result is a simplified core data model and a simplified application code. Now it is more easier to enhance the application and integrate additional functions. So with SAP S4HANA, we can integrate additional functions. We can integrate with external systems such as BPC, Fiori, and BPP. So which makes it more easier for us to use S4HANA for day-to-day business purposes. So now I'm going to move to the next slide, if that's okay. So just a brief view of what I just took last. So basically what I just explained in the last time was the benefit of S4HANA, what it is offer in the years: flexibility, more data manipulation, data warehousing, more less hardware. So now we're going to go into deep into SAP Finance, Simple Finance, which is what the tutorial will be all about. So it's got to be mainly based on implementation. I hope you've been blessed by the previous lesson. So our next lesson is we're going to move into company codes, how to divide company codes, organizational units, and controlling areas. See you in the next video.